Fundamental skills in badminton. First is the footwork. In badminton, footwork is a fundamental skill necessary for reaching the shuttlecock efficiently. Since opponents aim to direct shots away from the player, good footwork ensures stability and allows for early shuttle contact. Proper coordination between the racket hand and racket foot is essential for effective shot execution. To achieve good footwork, players should bend their knees slightly, keep their feet shoulder width apart, and hold the racket up in front. The player's weight should rest on the balls of their feet, maintaining a ready possession at the center of the mid-court area. So if the shuttlecock is directed to your front court, you will execute a V front movement by taking a small step followed by a lunge with the racket leg to reach the shuttlecock. Proper timing is crucial, ensuring that the racket leg lands simultaneously with the shot. And if the shuttlecock is directed to your midcourt, you will execute the defensive side movement by extending the racket leg towards the shuttlecock on the racket side. If the shuttlecock is on the non-racket side, you will extend the racket leg while rotating the hips and shoulders to execute a backhand stroke, especially when reaching distant shots. So next is the serve. Mastering different types of serves is essential for improving gameplay. Serving marks the start of a point and can be used as an advantage in a match rather than just a formality. Basically, there are four types of serves. First is the high serve, second is the low serve, third is the flick serve, and fourth is the drive serve. So what is high serve? The high serve is mainly used in singles to push the opponent toward the back court. So to execute this serve, first is you will use a forehand grip and stand a few feet behind the service line. Second, shift weight onto the racket foot while placing the non-racket foot forward. Third, hold the shuttlecock by the feathers and drop it as the racket swings forward, upward, across, transferring weight to the non-racket foot. Fourth, strike the shuttlecock, following through until the racket reaches the non-racket side of the head. Fifth, aim towards the back boundary line but avoid hitting out by targeting the ceiling near the back boundary line. Sixth, direct serves toward the middle of the court to minimize sharp return angles. Next, loose serve. The loose serve can be executed using either a forehand or a backhand grip. It is mainly used in doubles but can be effective in singles, especially against strong attacking opponents. The objective is to force the opponent to lift the shuttlecock, setting up an offensive opportunity. Mixing in low serves occasionally in singles matches may catch opponents off guard, providing an advantage.